Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the file type because formats affect tools and quality. Open the image in your chosen editor and duplicate the background layer. This protects the original. Once done, zoom to the text area and enable relevant guides or grids so alignment is precise. Make sure to set resolution and color mode to match your output. You'll use selection and type tools next, but first confirm you have undo history and autosave active. This saves time if you need to revert. Now you select the text to remove using the tool that matches edge complexity, pen for curves, magic wand for flat areas. Once selected, apply content-aware fill or clone stamp to reconstruct the background. This preserves patterns and lighting. After filling, refine edges with a small blur or 1 to 3 pixel feather so the patch blends. Make sure to zoom out and compare if textures mismatch. Retouch with low opacity clones and dodge/burn to match highlights and shadows for a scene. Finally, add your new text with the type tool, matching font, size, color, and kerning to the scene so it looks natural. Once placed, transform it with perspective or warp to follow surfaces, and adjust layer blending and opacity to integrate shadows and reflections. When satisfied, flatten or export as PNG/JPG for sharing, and save an editable file like PSD or XCF for future tweaks. If alignment or color looks off, check layer, blend mode, and recalibrate using sampled colors. This fixes most visible mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.